Okay guys, I promised you a video on this 57 Ford. We put the engine in. We put a rebuilt 292 Y block in it. So it's been sitting out here for 2 days now and she's cold. So let's give it the initial start up and see how she runs. And so let you guys be the old witness of it all. Oh, and I'm not bullshitting you, it has not ran for 2 days. I know some people might do a video and warm it up first and then start it and say, look at there. I don't have time for that. I have no reason to lie to you. Plus, not only that, you can see the temperature gauge. Right down there at nothing. So those of you that don't know, these cars, they start in neutral. Stupid design if you ask me, but that's where they start. Okay, let's give her a couple pumps. Come on, old girl. There we go. Charging. Look at that oil pressure. 75 psi almost. Put her back up in park. Always remember, leave your foot on the brake. Let's pop the hood. Now she's cold, so she's, you know, but I mean that's a cold start after 2 days. Look at that thing, look how smooth it is. When you wait till it warms up, we'll give it a chance and we'll let it warm up here. And then we'll show you some more. Just give it a chance. And if you notice, I'm standing in the spot where the old 48 Ford 1-ton was. She's off getting her new windshield seal put in her. And all that kind of stuff. I just like to give her a little gas. I mean, the choke is working, but it's one of those old chokes that comes off the exhaust manifold, you know, the factory ones. I mean, it works, but they were never the greatest. Yeah, look at that. Temperature just right there. Okay, in the meantime, in the between time, what else we want to rhyme together? Let's go see what Mr. Sean is up to. Sean is working back on the 64 Merc. And he's getting that whole car is in final primer except for the lower quarters and the lower door parts, lower section of the door. So he's getting that all in final primer. He's masking it up right now to put it in final primer. And then this car, we're going to blow it apart tomorrow. Then it's by the end of the week, start painting edges. Here we go. Yeah, yeah. Come on in. It's warm. There it is. So yeah, he's starting to mask. So this section here, from this line down, and the doors, and then all this will get covered up. This is all already all good. Big car, big car. Yeah. Excellent. There we go. Yeah. Oh yeah, there we are. So, takes time when you gotta mask them, but you gotta mask them or else you get overspray all over and then it's just a bigger mess and you gotta clean all that up. And if you remember the Camaro, so I got the doors all on it. Doors are staying on it now because all the jams and everything are painted. You know, got all the dash shit that he had here in. So what we're waiting on now is hopefully next week I see an engine and transmission because I'd like to slide that in the hole. Then I'll bolt the front sheet metal on. And all the edges of that are painted too. Then I put sheet metal on, except for the hood and the trunk lid, they stay off. And then basically I get the engine in, tranny, dry shaft, and then well, start blocking the car out and getting it ready for paint. That's right. And of course you all remember the little Ranchero over here. Okay, we're just leaving her sit for a week. We're gonna pull her in. Probably pull this old girl in. I'm thinking this old girl's gonna probably come in Saturday, and we'll start. You know, we're just painting this area you see here only. So we gotta, you know, you gotta block it now. So it's probably there's a day for sure. Probably a day and a half. Then you gotta mask it. You know, you gotta mask it, and then just shoot some paint on her, and away we go. Then the customer will be good to go, and he can go take it and go cruising. Because look at this weather. What are we on here? December 20th. I don't see any snow on the ground. They said a mild winter, and I'm loving this mild winter. Keep that white shit on the mountains where it belongs. Keep it away from me. I don't need no goddamn white Christmas. All I need is Christmas to be over. That's right, I'm a bah humbug kind of guy. I'm a spring and summer guy. And if you notice here, there's our friendly Coco. Name's Corey. We call him Coco. He's a roadman. Right down there, Fraser Valley chapter. They're all good guys. Anyway, remember we repainted just the front end of his car. So it turned out really good. Blends in really nice. There it is. He's coming to grab this bad boy in a day or two. And out the door it'll go. Now let's go over here and see the old 57. She's just idling away here. Just purring like a kitten. She's getting warmer every minute. Oh, take a look here. There we go. Nice and smooth. I don't know if the temperature's come up any yet, but no, temperature hasn't even come up yet. But I mean, anyway, she sure runs nice. We'll shut that off. That's enough of that, and that's it. That's what's going on. So let me close the hood down. I'll turn this off for a minute, and we'll go in the shop and see what's happening. Okay, we'll come in the shop, and Mike is working away. You can see he's got these here are removable bars, so you can get in and out of the car. You don't have to use them if you're not at the strip. If you want to, you can. It's up to you. This is a street and strip car, or apparently it's going to be. Not sure. We're not putting the engine or transmission in it. We're just going to finish off the paint and the bodywork. And out the door she's going to go. 72 Buick, if you're wondering. It's been here for a while, been in lots of videos. Obviously that's the color it's going. Beautiful color. Beautiful color. So customers spend a lot of time here to make this what he wants. And it's definitely going to be one of a kind. There's no doubt about that. No doubt about that. So, yeah. That's all that's happening here. That's all that's happening on this Wednesday, December 20th, I think. It is, yeah, it is. I just said it earlier. Anyway, so, get you another video maybe before the week ends, maybe Friday. I don't know if it'll post on Friday. Don't even know if this will post today. And we'll show you what else is going on before Sunday Fun Day. That's right. What else are you going to do on Christmas Eve? I'm going to work on my car. That's what I'm going to do. Catch you next time.